guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janet. And today, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox netong Perfect Diary. So this is from China. I just saw one time nagba-browse lang ako and then nakita ko siya. So I wanna try. So ayan, nakita niyo na yung aking totoong buhok. I have a curly hair kasi kaka-shower ko lang. And then, wala akong nilagay na makeup kasi itatry ko rin kung ano yung mga i-unbox natin. So, tingnan natin kung maitatago ba ng mahiwagang Perfect Diary. Kasi perfect. Dapat maging perfect siya. Dapat mapatunayan niya na perfect talaga siya. I know nobody's perfect. Pero tingnan natin kung magiging perfect ba ang aking beauty dito sa Perfect Diary na to. See ya! So guys, this is from China. I already sanitized this. You know, every time naman na nakaka-receive ako ng package, I always sanitize it. I make sure that I sanitize. I don't open it right away. Bakit parang meron akong pasa dito? Lumalabas na naman yung aking mahiwagang eye bag. Pag sobra ako sa tulog, ganyan, maitim siya. So anyway, ayun na nga. I ordered it online. See, I ordered this, November 24 pa. Ngayon ko pa lang siya i-unbox kasi nga, I don't open my package right away. Especially kung galing international. So, lahat ng nandito na i-unbox ko, it cost me $79.77. Actually, parang, I save more than I spent. Kasi yung na-save ko is $87.17. So, aside from that, nakakuha pa ako ng dalawang free na makeup travel brushes and yung eyeshadow. So, let's see. Pag dumating sa inyo yung package, ganito yung itsura niya. So, when you open it, grabe naman yung pagkaka-tape. Parang hindi sa akin yung package. Parang ayaw pa buksan. So, naka-tape na siya. Naka-glue pa yung box. Yung totoo, gusto nyo ba talagang pabuksan to? Parang ayaw ipa-unbox. Yan. Open na siya. Narinig ko na yung click eh. Let's open now. Ayan. Look! Ang dami. Ito yung free niya na eyeshadow. Aside from I saved $87.17, I still get this one as they're free. And then, alam ko na yung mga in-order ko. Sobrang tagal na. This is the liquid lipstick. This is the high definition, long-lasting, multifunction mascara. Ito talaga yung naano ko na masyado na intriga kasi I always look for a mascara na yung niya sobrang nipis lang. So let's see if it's really nipis. And then, I think this is the makeup brushes. Ito yung free makeup brushes. Ang cute niya. Nakalagay din siya sa... Ay, maliit lang siya. Sobra talagang travel size. Meron na siyang lagayan. This is only free, guys. Aside from saving $87.17, ito pa yung kasama niyang free. This one and this one, yung palette. Diba? Oh. So, bubuksan natin siya isa-isa. At itatry natin isa-isa. So, yung brush, since gagamitin ko siya, I had to disinfect din. Kasi, diba, nanggaling siya sa kung saan-saan. I'm using the antibacterial hand spray from Bath & Body Works. And yung last na in-order ko pala is this one. Ito talaga yung major na in-order ko. So this one, guys, is a set. This called Captor Sakura Charm Set. And it costs $59.99. But I think that's on sale. That's on sale na rin. Look, guys, how the box looks like. Parang ang sarap yung regalo, diba? So when you open the box, there's this one. And inside is a sticker. I don't know where you can put it. Maybe you can design the box or I don't know. So, what's inside this Captor Sakura Charm Set? So this includes yung foundation niya, soft matte finishing powder. This one, I think it's liquid lipstick. We're gonna try that. This one is a palette. Ayan. Ay, ang cute ng color. Look. Yung name ng colors is Shooting Star, First Encounter, The Glow, The Sugar Town, Sakura Blossom, Mystery. This one is Fever, and this one is Haunting. I think these are the eyeshadows, and this one is a blush, and this one is a highlighter. Ang cute din niya kasi it has mirror. I don't know why I like mirror. We're gonna try it later. And then, that includes earrings. Ang ganda naman. Pero bakit parang ayaw ipatanggal ulit? Parang ayaw niya ipagamit sa akin. Hindi ko naman po ito. Oh, it's an earring, guys. There. Let's try it na. Para lahat naman na-try natin, diba? Including your free. Ay, ang ganda. Perfect na perfect. Let's see. The other one. Ayan. So, magkaiba siya. Ang cute. So, I'm gonna wear it now while we're trying everything. I think I didn't order concealer. So, maybe I'll put my own concealer and then we'll try yung powder nila. Kasi, nabasa ko dun sa mga nagpa-purchase nga ng Perfect Diary. And they say na ang ganda-ganda ng texture ng powder niya. Excuse me. Tingnan natin yung brush ko maganda. Dito na lang gamitin ko kasi nahihirapan ako dun. And maybe yung this one, pinkish. I love pink. Kaya, nagka-drama-drama na. Ayan, wow. Wow, no? Umahanga sa sarili, ang kapal. Umahanga sa sarili, hindi marunong mag-makeup. Pero ang hilig mag-makeup. Ayan na guys, ang ganda niya. Tignan mo yung eyeshadow. Ang gaan-gaan niya ilagay. I'm gonna try this glittery. This one. I'm gonna try this one. Let's try yung isang brush. Baka gumana. Diba? Sobrang light lang. Gusto ko naman talaga yung mga light colors lang. And also, we're gonna try din yung Glow Face Palette. So, yung brush niya, okay naman. Ayan. Makapal din yung niya. So, even if it's just free, maganda naman siya. So, let's try this Captor Glow Face Palette. I'm using first the brown. Parang napansin ko lang, lahat ng nabili ko, yung color niya sa orange. So, yung lipstick, and then yung Alam mo, masasabi ko lang lahat sa niya. Ang ganda-ganda ng texture. Sobrang konti lang, pero tinan mo, isang ganyan ko lang yan Tingnan mo, ang kulay na niya. And sobrang gaan ilagay. Bilis mag-blend. And then, itong highlighter. Aray, kintab-kintab, glow na glow. Ayan, nasasabi ng tip ng ilong mo. Diba? Saan ka pa? So, last na itatry natin is, so I'm not gonna try this lipstick na kasi I already tried this on my wrist. This one, I'm not gonna try this later on na lang. Pag medyo magaling na ako mag-makeup. Kasi this one has a lot of color. Unlike this one, konti lang yung color niya. So, let's try ito na siya guys. Itatry na natin to. Hindi ako masyado magaling dito Hindi ako masyado magaling pag sa eyeliner. Pero let's see. Ayan na, yun pa lang Pwede na yan. Grabe. Yan. So, ayan na nga, guys. Ang ganda niya ipahid. Isang dikit mo lang. Nagmamark na siya. Di ba yung iba? Ang hirap-hirap niya magmark. But this one is really good. I love everything that I purchased and I'm happy dun sa mga nabili ko. Siyempre dun sa mga free din. I'm just not happy with the color kasi parang mali yung nakuha ko. Parang it's too white for me. Kasi tinan niyo naman yung face. Or hindi ko lang kasi nilagyan yung leeg ko. But this is my natural color sa leeg. This is sobrang puti. But I like the blending look. And I love the mascara. And I love the eyeliner. I love everything that I purchased. Yung color ng lipstick look. Ang ganda niya. Ang gaan. This is good. This set is really good for everyday. For your everyday makeup. Like you're just going to the market. And you just wanna add color on your face. Ayan na. Everyday look. This is my everyday look from Perfect Diary. So yun na nga guys. I hope you like my unboxing for today. And not just unboxing, I even try it on my face. So I think that's it for today guys. And hope you'll like and share, and for those who are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also I want to see you and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye.